Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mini gaming PCs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the ROG Knuck 760 by Asus. This premium offering packs a punch with its Intel 14th Gen Core Ultra 7 processor, dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics, 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and 1 terabyte NVMe SSD. It's clear this device is built for gamers who won't compromise on performance. With features like ARGB lighting and a vertical stand, the design is sleek and customizable, perfect for those who want their gaming setup to stand out. In terms of performance, this mini PC is a powerhouse. The RTX 4060 graphics card and AI capabilities ensure smooth gameplay at high settings, even for demanding titles. It's also versatile, with dual configurations for vertical or horizontal use. However, at over $1,300, this PC is at the higher end of the price spectrum. It's ideal for hardcore gamers or professionals who need a compact yet powerful machine. While the ROG Knuck 760 delivers exceptional performance, the price point may deter budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, its 6.39-pound weight makes it less portable compared to others on this list. But if you're after sheer power and premium features, this mini gaming PC won't disappoint. Coming in at number 4 is the P4 Lite Gaming Mini PC by Boss Game. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U with 32 gigabytes DDR4 RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, this mini PC is a solid performer for both gaming and productivity. Its ability to support triple 4K displays via HDMI, DP, and Type-C makes it great for multitasking professionals and gamers who enjoy immersive setups. Plus, it even supports PS3 emulators, adding a nostalgic bonus for retro gamers. The design is compact yet functional, with dual 2.5GB LAN ports and Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring fast and stable connectivity. It's ideal for light gaming, design work, and even software like Photoshop or CAD. At $399.99, it delivers excellent value, especially considering its robust specs. However, its Radeon GPU is better suited to light design and gaming tasks rather than intensive AAA titles. While the P4 excels in versatility and offers great connectivity options, it falls slightly short in raw gaming performance compared to others higher on the list. Still, if you're looking for a capable mini PC that balances work and play, the Boss Game P4 is a fantastic option. At number 3, we have the GMK Tech M5 Plus. Featuring the AMD Ryzen 7 5825U processor, this mini PC delivers a performance boost over the Ryzen 7 5700U, with 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample storage. The triple 4K display support is a standout feature, making this ideal for gamers, content creators, and multitaskers alike. The M5 Plus is designed with productivity in mind, offering dual 2.5 gigabit LAN ports and Wi-Fi 6E for stable and high-speed internet connectivity. Its compact and lightweight build, just 1.1 pounds, enhances portability, making it a great choice for users on the go. At $327.98, it's a strong contender for those seeking high performance without breaking the bank. However, the integrated Radeon graphics card, while capable, may struggle with graphically intensive AA games. For mid-range gaming or professional tasks like video editing and 4K playback, it shines. Overall, the GMK Tech M5 Plus packs a lot of power into a small package, delivering excellent value for money. In second place, we have the Magikin K1 mini gaming PC. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor, This mini PC offers respectable performance at a budget-friendly price of $249. With 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and a 512 gigabyte SSD, it's geared toward casual gamers and multitaskers who need a reliable, affordable solution. It also supports triple 4K displays, making it ideal for work or entertainment setups. The K1's compact build and lightweight design mean it won't take up much desk space, yet it delivers solid performance for games like CS:GO, PUBG, and more. It also features Wi-Fi 6 for fast, stable internet and Bluetooth for wireless peripherals. While it doesn't match the raw power of higher-ranked options, it's perfect for light to medium gaming and productivity tasks. The main downside is its integrated Radeon Vega graphics, which may not handle the latest AAA games at high settings. But for $249, the AC Magikin K1 provides incredible value for those on a budget, whether you're gaming, working, or streaming. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have the GMK Tech K6 Mini PC Gaming. This top-tier device is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7840HS processor, which boasts 8 cores, 12 GPU cores, and speeds up to 5.1 GHz. Paired with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, this mini PC is built for serious gamers and professionals alike. The Radeon 780M graphics card, based on AMD's RDNA 3 architecture, delivers performance close to a dedicated GTX 1650 Ti, making it capable of handling modern AAA games and demanding creative tasks. What sets the K6 apart is its cutting-edge features, including USB 4.0, triple 4K display support, and dual 2.5 GB LAN ports for blazing fast connectivity. It's compact, lightweight, and packed with the latest tech, including Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2. At $479.99, it's on the pricier end, but the performance and features justify the cost for power users. While the K6 is nearly flawless in its class, some users may find the price steep compared to budget options. However, for those seeking the ultimate combination of power, portability, and innovation, the GMK Tech K6 is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.